Hi, welcome back to my channel. It is October. I have a new setup for fall. Decided to switch it up, add a little more warmth, something a little more appropriate for the season, right, Winston? It does need to be ironed out still. I just did not have time to do that before filming this, so I will get this smoothed and sorted hopefully before my next video. I promised a full face of my monthly makeup picks, and that's what we're gonna do today. That's what we're gonna do today. Let's get some fall kitten ears on here. Hi, hello. I need a mirror. I don't have a mirror. Okay, I'm back. I'm good. I got a mirror. I'm missing primer. I totally forgot my primer. Oh my god. I had to bring everything upstairs from downstairs, and I totally forgot the primer. Oh, really super fucking lazy. It's one of those days. So, sorry, I'm just gonna spray my face with the Milky Mist, which is part of my picks, so it's not cheating. And we're primed. Throw on my chapstick to prep my lips. I'm gonna start with concealer because I'm doing an under foundation concealer. Peach under my eyes and on my lids. This is just going to be a super quick fall look, by the way, because I mean my monthly makeup basket is pretty much the stuff I use just like day to day. So I'm just showing you kind of like what a quick sort of fall look will be. I'm really all over the place today. Going into the green, and I'm just going to get some of that where use the side of the product on it, Annette, where I'm really red around my nose and such. And then I'm gonna go in with foundation. The CoverGirl True Blend Liquid Makeup Base. Now I'm gonna bronze up a bit with the Physicians Formula Bronze Boost in light. And blush up with the Revlon in Tickled Pink. Highlight with the Maybelline Master Chrome in Rose Gold. And then set all of that face, careful you, with the Pixie Milky Mist. Now, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Avon Brow Powder in Auburn. Eyes. We're going to use this stupid Treasure Chest palette. Not overly looking forward to it, but you know, right? So I'm going to use Pearl all over the lid. And I'm going to put Tiger's Eye in the crease. And take a bit of Onyx. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. And carry it a bit into the crease. I really don't like these eyeshadows. I guarantee this is a palette I will be giving up at the end of the month. Ugh, it's just so crappy. And then I'm going to take some Chalky Smoked Topaz. And I'm going to put that on the rest of the lid. Ugh, I hate this palette. I'm going to use my Golden Moss liner and just do a thin line close to the lashes. Or not, because it's not sticking to this eyeshadow. Ugh. I've been using this liner long enough. I know it's the eyeshadow's fault and not the liner. Fuck. I'm going to take a brown glimmer stick on my upper waterline into the lashes. Some Cella in Nude on the lower lash line. Some Stila Huge Ass Mascara. I need some products that make me happy, you know, after using that stupid Treasure Chest palette. This mascara just gives me life. I'm gonna throw a bit of Trophy Wife on my lips. Throw on a bit of the Rimmel 3D Gloss. And there we go. Despite the eyeshadow palette trying to drag us down. This, I did it. I did something. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this. I will be doing Halloween makeup starting hopefully Friday. Next video, we're going to start the Halloween makeup tutorials. If there's anything you want to see, let me know down in the comments on this video, and I will start my face mapping. I've already got about 3 different designs that I am so excited and cannot wait to put into action. And subscribe if you're excited for that. We'll see you in the next one.